So when we prepare the account, so it's an income account, then this is a plus and this is a minus. Alright, actually we can also use preparing an account to help us to calculate the last entry. So how do we do that? Actually quite simple. The first three are quite straightforward. We know that we have a rent here. So a rent here on the debit side, followed by on the credit side and on the debit side. So you go debit, credit, debit, 1,350, 48. So you have 1,350 and 48,000, right? So with this, then you write the opposite account, so that will be rent receivable. Okay, this one is doing posting, so there's no debit credit. Debit credit is for journal. Alright, so we are just writing the opposite account. So the opposite account for the next one will be cash at bank. So you can see the opposite account, rent receivable, cash at bank, and income summary. So actually, if we want to talk about just calculating the amount, right? So you can see yourself 50,000 on the credit side. At the end of the day, it must become a zero. So the other amount will be the difference. The total debit. Total debit is 49,300. Total credit is 50,000. So the other difference, the difference of 700 must be on this side, which means we are actually debiting rent account. So we debit rent account, the other account must be a credit, correct? So we are going to debit a rent account. So what is the other account that can be credited? Since it's credit, that means it's a liability. It has to be rent received in advance. That's how we can actually use this table actually to also help us to find the missing entry. So with that, the opposite account will be rent received in advance. And when we are preparing the account, then we need to have all our dates. Actually, dates are always important. So you just follow the date here. So you have January 1st. And then the rest are all December 31st. That's very easy. And of course, we can calculate the balance. So we started off with 1,003 debit. And then after that, you have a 50,000. So you plus a 50,000 is a negative 1,003 actually. So you actually end up with 48,700. Okay, and it becomes credit because now it's positive. So because debit is minus, so you end up with negative balance, and now it becomes a positive balance. After minusing this, it becomes 700 credit, which is a positive balance, and after this, it becomes 0. So that's how you do it.